Hello everybody, in today's video we are going to make one of the most simplest joints, and that's the ball joint. So let's get started. So this joint is a very simple joint to make, and it shouldn't take that long. And in terms of its use, it's mostly used in the figure's waist or the torso, so that the body can move in all directions. So let's get started with the tutorial. Okay, the materials required for these joints are a plastic bead. You'll need one of these, a toothpick, some foam sheet, small piece of it should suffice, and some super glue and also some tape. Paper tape is what will be required. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is take the bead, plastic bead, and the toothpick, and just pass the toothpick through the hole in the bead, just like that, and just super glue it in place. Just like that, and let the glue dry. Okay, so once the glue dries, you can just cut off the tip of the toothpick, and you basically are left with the ball right there. So now to make the socket, bring in the foam sheet, and we'll just wrap it around the bead. Just like so. Make sure you wrap it tightly in place. Has to be a tight fit. Just cut the excess foam sheet. Now we can just tape the roll, and again make sure it's tight, just like so. And there we have it, a ball joint. As you can see, it can move in all directions, just like this. It can also rotate in the socket. So yeah, it's a very easy joint to make, and I hope you all try it out. So that's it for today's video, and I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a like. If you're not subscribed, please consider doing that, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.